Students at Matthew C. Perry High School got a unique hands-on experience as internationally recognized Wagyu butcher Noriaki Numamoto visited the school's culinary arts program for a live demonstration. Numamoto, known for his Wagyu beef and traditional butchery techniques, worked alongside students while showcasing Japanese culinary and local partnership opportunities here in Iwakuni. Reporting from Marine Corps Air Station Iwakuni, Japan, I'm Lance Corporal Andrew Knight.
Later you know why it's called the drunken beef, but drunken Wagyu. He's getting the eye. Beef was around here, you know.
Get crispy, right? Wet things can't get crispy.
You guys are famous.